In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. Adding Apple Pay can make the checkout process incredibly seamless for your customers, providing them with a fast and secure payment method. So, let's dive in and look at how you can set this up easily. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control center for everything related to your online store. Once you're in, head over to the Settings section on the left-hand side of your screen. The Settings menu is where you manage the core functions of your store, so it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Next, from within Settings, you'll need to click on Payments. This section is where you can manage your payment providers and settings. Finding the right payment gateway is crucial, as it influences the purchasing experience for your customers. After you've clicked on Payments, look for the Shopify Payments option. Shopify Payments supports various payment methods, including Apple Pay, which is specifically what we're aiming to integrate today. If Shopify Payments hasn't been activated yet, you need to activate it. It's an incredibly efficient way to streamline the payment processes for your store. To activate Shopify Payments, follow the on-screen instructions. This usually involves entering some basic business and banking information to link your store's transactions to your financial accounts. Once you've activated Shopify Payments, scroll down within this section to locate the Apple Pay section. Here, you'll see that the option to enable Apple Pay will be visible. If you don't see this option, just take a moment to check if your session has been fully updated or if Shopify Payments needs to be reactivated. Provided everything is in order, check the box that allows you to enable Apple Pay. It's that simple. Now, let's take a moment to discuss why this is so beneficial. Apple Pay allows customers using Apple devices to check out with a single touch, significantly reducing cart abandonment. Your customers no longer need to dig out their credit cards instead, they simply authenticate via fingerprint or face recognition through their devices, making the entire process seamless and secure. As you review your settings, ensure that Apple Pay is visible to customers on the checkout page. Having this payment method readily accessible means it becomes a convenient option from the get-go. Next, don't forget to save your changes. Digging into a bit of advice here, always double-check that your Apple Pay is working as expected. You can perform a test transaction to ensure that everything is seamlessly integrated and functioning properly. It's worth taking the time to confirm that everything is accurately set up, reducing any hiccups for your customers. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to boost your payment offerings and enhance your customers' experience with Apple Pay on Shopify. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!